Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create widget carousels into your Shopify store using Judge Me app. Either it be at the home page or in the product detail page. So I'm using Judge Me app for this to be customized. It's a tool that collects customers' reviews and shows them on your Shopify store to build some trust and boost their sales. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you're subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. And also make sure you are watching this video at the very end. So I have already installed Judge Me Review app from the Shopify App Store. You can also install this, and the app will showing up in the app section of your Shopify admin panel like this in the left hand side. So go to the settings part and click on widgets. There are multiple blocks showing up here. You can just go through this and add any if you want. I'm just particularly going for the cart carousel. So clicking on install, you can just land on the app section like this. And here you can just click on add block and you can just add the app as the cart carousel. Now you can see the carousel has been showing like this. And you can just customize this carousel as per your wish, like you want to review all the product or product reviews only, store reviews, everything. You can just have this. I'm planning to have the all reviews at the homepage, and you can just give the star rating like a 5 star only or the all one. I'm just planning to have the all one. And you can just show the review media, or you can just keep it disabled. And if you are adding review media, you can just go with the no image full fall back or the product image. And the maximum review number, you can just keep it as 5 7 8 as per your wish. And layout also, you have some review length settings and text size. I'm just keeping everything as small, and the image ratio as 4 to 3, 4 is to 3 ratio. And reviews shown on desktop, it should be 4 or 3. I'm just keeping this 4. Okay, it's okay for me. And I'm planning to show the reviewer name, product name, and hide arrows and mobile. I'm not planning to hide arrows on mobile. It should be shown always. And arrows position, of course, I am planning to have it on my sides. Yeah. And styling also, you can keep it soft, square, or round. Let's go with the soft anyway. Header text, I'm planning to have some kind of dark shade of the screen. Let's keep this keep like this. And text color also, I'm just planning to have to some other color. Let's say like this, or it could be black. Yeah, text color should be black enough. And card color white, and the arrow color also you can just keep into something other. And yeah, I have done with my layout, styling, and headers. Of course, I'm going with the same text customers are seeing. And average rating text, I'm not planning to show, so hiding it. So after adding all the details, I'm planning to save it, and let's test this up in our online store how it's look like. So open up your online store, and in the home page on the bottom hand side, you can see the carousel has been created successfully. Since the review is not having any media, it's not showing the media. My reviews having only the text. That's why it shows like this. And I have only 2 reviews. Let's see the reviews from here. So you can see only 2 reviews without media. That's why my store is showing 2 reviews only. So that's how you can create a widget carousel at your Shopify homepage very easily using Judge Me app. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link or grab this Judge Me app in the from the Shopify app store and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.